Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to use Crocodile. I just bought this Tuesday morning for $20 and I have no idea how to use it because I'm a beginning of everything here. I had actually go on YouTube, check out a couple videos. Most of them not too clear for me, and to be honest with you, when I don't know anything, when I'm reading this instructions, it's not helping. In particularly, like, it doesn't tell you how to use it, it just tell you what is it. So by looking at it, we're like, what's this? So I just punch a hole, right? Look at that. It's like, oh, how can you punch a hole right here, you know? Anyway, so I find out you punch holes here. So you can see the numbers. There's one of a bigger hole, I think is 4.7 millimeters, and this is a smaller one. Okay, and this is the one to see how deep, how far you want your hole go into. So here I did try myself. At the beginning I have no idea what this means, so that's really for dummies. But if you knew already, maybe this is not a video for you. Okay, so here there's a big one, so this is a small one. I have no idea. I have to punch a hole right here. And then if you say, okay, I want something close to the edge, so you push right here, and then that's close to the edge. You want a little bit further, then you push this on the back. Yeah, all the way at the back. And then how you do, and this part is where you punch your eyelets. I have a bunch of them, and I learned, which is not on instruction. So you can push, and this one too, you can push it and pick the one size that you need to use eyelet. I actually bought this a long time ago. I don't remember the size, so I think this works, a big one. So just push back, and then this is the same thing. You can push up, like push up, and then there's ABC, which doesn't make meaningful to me, but as you can see here, have different I guess size, right? And I am a very beginning of this. I have no idea what's this mean, but I assume this is for the bigger. This is smaller. That's the only words I can use right now. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'm just push right here and then push back in, push back. So basically this is where you change your settings for your eyelets. So I already picked these eyelets. All you do is just put one. Obviously these are a little bit bigger one, so the smaller hole doesn't fit. So here you do push it down, right? And then I don't want to use this one right now, so all you do is maybe this size right here. See, I'm still learning. And then you just pressure it and press, and then you can see up here it's kind of close up a little bit, but let me just make sure. I can try different settings right here, but I think that was one because it's pretty big eyelet. And then maybe this is so I think this is the biggest one right now. Yeah, or I think you can even use it as flat right here. See, this is a B. Maybe I'll try this. Okay, so right here, go inside and push it. Yeah, so see, it's all pressed out. I guess it works. Don't pick the smaller hole. So yeah, look like it's working. So that's basically this is for. So here is for pushing the eyelets, and here this two is two different ponchos. All right, that's all. But I'm glad I got this for $20. A lot of places sell for like $30 something. I was debating about it. I just saw this on sale at Tuesday morning. That's why I got it. I actually bought. Anyhow, thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe and like my videos. And if there's any feedbacks and comments, please leave kind messages. Thank you.